Is your baby struggling to roll from their back to their tummy or from lying on their side onto their tummy, and you're starting to feel a little bit worried, like you should be concerned, and you want to know if there is anything that you can do to help your baby to roll over? Then you're in the right place and you're watching the right video. Because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple techniques that you can use in your home to help your baby start rolling over sooner. Hi. My name is Cherrick Gordon, and I've been a pediatric physical therapist for over 20 years. I created this channel as the only place where you're going to find quality hands-on techniques that you can use in the comfort of your own home to lay your hands on your baby and help your baby to start moving sooner. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, grab your baby, get down on the ground, and let's get into it. Let's begin by talking about when you can expect your little one to start rolling over. Rolling over is a process. It is a major gross motor milestone, and it should start right around between the 4 to 6 month mark. Now, if you find that your baby is not rolling within this time frame, keep in mind that each baby develops on their own kind of schedule, and so it all depends on baby's strength, baby's motivation, baby's opportunity to practice rolling over. All of these things are going to impact whether or not your baby rolls and when your baby starts to roll. Another activity that you can do to help your baby roll from their back onto their tummy is sideline. Now, I tell parents when I'm in their home that we have to start where baby is and then gradually try to make that activity a little bit more challenging. So if you're trying to get your baby to roll from their back all the way onto their tummy and baby is not able to do it, you're trying and baby is not able to execute the roll, put baby to lie on their side, put a toy just out of reach and watch baby start stretching and reaching for that toy, and see if you can move one leg, move the top leg over and get baby to flip from their side onto their tummy. So that's a great place to start with regard to rolling over from the back onto the stomach, is in sideline. Here's a pro tip for you when it comes to helping your baby to roll from their back to their tummy. Remember, wherever the head goes, the body will follow. Your baby's head accounts for about 20% of their total body weight when they're first born. So wherever that little head is going, that's where the rest of the body is going. So if you have your baby lying on their back and you move a toy, bring the toy close to baby's face, get baby to start tracking the toy. Once you see baby's locked onto the toy, move the toy off to the side, but then move the toy over baby's head and off to one side, so that as baby is turning their head and reaching for the toy, baby begins to reach over and actually flip themselves over. In the beginning, of course, you're going to have to help baby, but as baby continues to practice, then they will get better at it. What you want to do is make sure that baby is practicing to both sides. At this point, baby should not have any kind of preference as which hand they're using more than the other. So you want baby to practice rolling to the right and practice rolling towards the left side. Another thing that you can do to help your baby start rolling over is to practice lots and lots of tummy time. So let's talk about what tummy time is. Tummy time is when your baby is awake and you have your baby on the ground or on your lap or on your chest on their tummy. So it's when baby is awake and baby is supervised by you or some other responsible adult. At around this age, that we said 4 to 6 months, your baby should be doing an hour to an hour and a half of tummy time every single day. Now, this tummy time doesn't have to be an hour straight of tummy time, regardless of if your baby is screaming their heads off. Your baby can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, different intervals for different babies, as long as your baby is happy and your baby is not fussing too much. Do the tummy time, practice, give baby breaks, but practice lots and lots of tummy time. If your baby is 6 months or older and your baby is still not showing any interest or any signs that they're close to rolling over or showing any interest in trying to make the move to roll over, you should definitely consult with your baby's pediatrician and seek early intervention services where you can have a physical therapist come into your home and work directly one-on-one with your baby. Watching your baby achieve these gross motor milestones is a very wonderful and joyous experience. And remember, lots and lots of practice and repetition will definitely help your baby to get there. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button for me, and also consider sharing this with a parent who you feel would benefit from these types of videos. Talk to you soon in the next video. I also have a great video on how to strengthen your baby's legs. I'm going to leave the link for that right here. Make sure you check that out. Talk to you soon. Take care.